Hey guys, welcome to the Inflate Drill. Today we're going to fill up balloons with baking stuff.
Today we need
a balloon, safety goggles, and a beaker that can only go up to 100, and baking soda. What's this called again?
vinegar,
a dropper. I just call it that because I don't know what to call it.
a funnel,
A funnel. We also need a water bottle, and you need an adult to pour the vinegar. And if you want it a pretty color, you have to put food coloring in. If you want it pretty color, if you have something else to make it a pretty color, just do it like that. I'm also talking really fast.
okay, pour the vinegar, now out with the funnel.
I'm putting the vinegar into the. That's really cold when it's hitting my hand. There. And it? Wait, what? No. And it?
No,
Are you going to do it?
I'm gonna do it.
What's this? We're going to pour this baking soda, which has the same picture, into this funnel and then into the balloon.
That's good. That's way more than good.
Sorry. Oh yeah, too much. Not even going in.
No, I need a spoon.
Spoony, poo! A bag! I already know it was Spider-Man, but it looks like a mini Spider-Man bag. So full.
Okay, what do we do next?
We put that thing onto there. Then Mommy said if that drops into there, it will go up. Can we show them our turtles?
Okay, lift it up, see if it works.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Whoa! Told you that was going to explode! Told you! Oh my gosh, that's going to explode. How did this happen? Learned. Here's what we learned. When the baking soda and the vinegar mixed together, it makes an air called carbon dioxide, which is in dancing raisins, and it fills up the balloon. Thanks for joining us today. Like and subscribe if you like it. If you like it, then give it a thumbs up. That's cold.